Let's see what happens. Pilots, goggles down, thumbs up. Arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. Let's go, rolling on with it all loud. Heads up, FPV under the wing and leading that field. He says, I'm going to stay out in front. I don't want a mid-air at all. Jaws is going to be the number 2 spot as I'm looking at that spiral section. Looks like unofficially in the number 5 spot is Madere, reigning Sebring champion. He knows what he needs to do. He did it last year. Top 4. Here comes Heads Up FPV around to Soaring Skies with a 27.7. That's the opener. The only change from yesterday is the removal of the dive gate. We'll get to that in just a little bit. There goes Jaws up to Soaring Skies. There's Mondo, Madere, and Louisiana making a move. So Madere second, Mondo third, Jaws fourth, Mac FPV in the number 5 spot, 2.2 seconds back. But everyone now working on lap number 2, 2 to go. There goes Heads Up FPV leading the field. You see no one with him. He has a huge gap. He had like a 17-second gap as he goes on to that final lap. Again, trying to tear it up here, breaking our speed bearer. My timing system says 47 and change. There goes Madere on to lap 3 in second. Mondo still in third. Jaws still in fourth. On to the final lap, and there goes Mac on to the final lap as well. He's 2.4 seconds back. So a battle on your screen between Race Band 7, Race Band 3. Heads Up FPV with the easy win. 3 laps in 1:16. That is like the 5th overall time on 3 laps. So a good finish for him. He sent it as we get ready to finish out the rest of this one. Look at these 3 dancing around the tower. It's going to be Jaws. No, it's not. It's going to be Madere. Madere pulling up the number 2 spot. Then it's going to be Jaws. Then it's going to be Mac FPV making a big move. And Mondo making a mistake on lap number 3. So Mac will grab 4th in that one. So your top 4 moving up will be Heads Up FPV, Madere, Jaws, and Mac. They move up in our winner's bracket. Your bottom 4 will be Mondo, Sergio